face అప్పుడు So here we go. We are trekking now. We are trekking. Me and my friend, we had thought we are not mentally stable, so we wanted to go on a trek. It's a little not a trek, it's a small, hill with some steps. So we decided to walk through these steps. And now we are not mentally ill, we are physically ill. We got realization. And chalo, we'll move on. Chalo. So she is my friend.
Hi.
She's new to my vlogs. So she's the one I always, go out with. Chalo, I'll meet you all again after climbing few more steps. Okay. So this is how the view looks like. The view is just so amazing. But the point here is we need to trek a lot more steps to view more beautiful views. So here we go. This is how the steps looks like. So hello everyone. We are not even halfway. But what is happening here, we are not able to trek this one. But no, we are not giving up. Slowly we will complete this for today for sure. But before the lights go off, we need to go down. That is one thing we need to keep in our mind.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Just tell them.
We have to.
And we will.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to narrate a small story which happened few minutes before. This girl here, what did she tell y'all? No, she wanted to go on a trek when we were coming here. So I told, okay, fine, which trek you want to go? So before we went to a trek near Sitamadara, where there won't be any steps like that, it's only stones and rocks.
Yeah.
She wanted to go there. But now I told, okay, after this trek, if you really want to, tomorrow morning we'll plan. But now what she's telling, come on, tell them.
I'm not sure about tomorrow's. Not at all.
To be honest, our mental health got set up because we know we are not physically fit. We need to work on our bodies before telling about our minds, right? What do you say?
Which is very true. Listen to her.
It's true, right? We'll rest for a few minutes and we'll go back to the trek again. Hello. Easy. Sorry for the lighting and sorry for the video quality. It's night here, so we can't get the video quality. I'm sorry for that. But to be honest, we completed the trek and we are walking back to the place where we parked our scooty and all. So we'll go back to the home. So we are thinking to sit near the beach for a few minutes and then leave to the home. But we don't know until we reach down. We'll see the time, at what time it is, and we'll just leave to the home. That's it, nothing else for today. But if you all enjoy this vlog, please comment down below. And if you all want more vlogs with her, then please, her name is Hema.
I introduced myself. Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm Hema.
Hema Supriya.
Yes.
So she's one of my friend from my intermediate.
Yes.
So it's just amazing time with her. So if you all want more vlogs with her, or if you all want to see more such trekkings, or last week we went to Jain temple but we did not record anything. If you all want that vlog, we'll just go back again and we'll just show you all everything what is happening here in Visakhapatnam during Jain festivals and all. Then please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and please do like if you all like, and please do comment down below. If you all want more vlogs, just comment down which heart you like, Ray. White heart for peace.
Peace.
Yeah, okay. Bye for today. Bye.
Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.
And one more thing we forgot to tell you all. grow together and glow together. Bye.